Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today, in this video I finally unlocked the new repair station. I need to kill Borealis one time, then we got it. So let's go. This time I will use the slasher. It's a bit faster than with a torch. Now he is down. Time to get the loot, and went back to the base. Now I can unlock the new repair station. It costs 3,600 genomes. To craft the workbench we need some oak planks, rubber, steel plates, wirings, bolts, and some scrap metal. We can place it in a 1x1 field. Now, we take a look how this works and what we can repair with it. We have one slot for the stuff we want to repair, 2 slots for the parts we need to repair, and 1 part to use the same stuff to repair. First, we take a look into some melee weapons. We can't repair all weapons, this is one of them. If you put the weapon in, you see what is needed to repair. Some of the costs looks expensive. Now, we check up some of the guns. The guns are even more expensive to repair. Now we check up the armor and then some of the event guns. Some of them are also not to repair. There are also some really expensive repairs. Let's test some of the event guns. I was in hope we can repair the confetti guns, but it looks like we can't. The scar with bullet cracker works. Also the scar with incendiary ammo. But not the confetti gun. Let's see how the repair works. With 20 gun oil you can repair 80% of the gun. With 20 factory parts 100%. If you activate you get a message. You can't stop the repair. You need to wait 16 minutes, or skip with an ad, or coins. That's the repair workbench. What did you think about it? Is it worth to get them? Let me know in the comments down below. Maybe it's good for free-to-play gamer if they get them to repair some stuff, but it needs a lot of time. Thanks for watching.